Hello everyone. Before I start presenting, let me introduce myself. My name is Ariana Ayuanifa. Today, I'm going to share with you guys some information related to Germany. I love Germany because this country is great, clean, well-educated, modern, and very beautiful in all seasons. Almost all public services are free, easy education, transportation, health services, and so forth. Germany is famous for its technological advance, thanks to two major inventors in the automotive field. His name was Carl Benz and Daimler, who later joined to build a product called Mercedes-Benz. There is also the great scientist famous for the formula E mc equal to Albert Einstein. Then, Germany has continuously produced innovations in all fields. Germany's progress had stalled when World War II ended. Germany experienced a dark period during the occupation of the Allies and the Soviet Union, where German territory was divided into two parts: East Germany and West Germany, which were bordered by a wall. After the Soviet Union collapsed, this wall was destroyed and made Germany victorious again. The incident when the Berlin Wall was destroyed was immortalized in a song called Wind of Change by Scorpion. Punctuality is one of the German cultures that we should emulate. Yes, for them, respecting time means respecting yourself and respecting others. It's not just a matter of material or discipline, but being punctual has become German culture, like the habit of people in developed countries. Germany is also known to have a high reading culture. Reading is a part of everyday life. Reading is not just a hobby, but has become a necessity. Because reading will determine a person's mindset, work ethic, and mental attitude. Germany is home to 82.2 million people, including Germans and minorities from other countries who respect each other, and together make Germany a country of values, unique celebration, and custom. Germany's capital is located in Berlin, but Hamburg, Munich, and Cologne are also among Germany's main cities. More than 95% of the German population speaks German, whether it is Standard German or any dialect. Germans drink a lot of beer, eat sausages, and bake bread with different flavors. It's not just a stereotype, it's a fact. It is estimated that the average German consumes about 140 liters of beer per year. The world's most famous classical composers, such as Bach and Beethoven, who marked the transition of music between classical and romantic to Western classical music, were Germans who were born and died in Germany. Other famous composers from Germany are Brahms, Schubert, Handel, Thalmann, Orff, etc. Let's move on to the next point. Yeah, Traditional food and clothes. Traditional food when in Germany, you should really try as many national and regional dishes as you can. Here are some traditional German foods that should be on your bucket list. 1. Broad and broken bread in the form of a loaf or a small, usually crusty roll, is an important part of the cuisine which is eaten all over the country and served with most German dishes. 2. Käsespätzle. Käsespätzle, a dish from the southwestern regions of Germany. Käsespätzle is made from layering small spätzle pasta with grated cheese and topping with fried onion. It is usually served with a salad and sometimes with applesauce. The last one, Rouladen. Rouladen is a German main dish that typically consists of pickles and bacon wrapped in thin slices of beef or veal. It is usually served with gravy, dumplings, mashed potatoes, and kebab. Each region in Germany has a different traditional dress. This traditional clothing is passed down from generation to generation from their ancestors. We can see a variety of traditional German clothes when there is a German cultural festival. One of the famous traditional German clothes is Dirndl for women and lederhosen for men. This traditional dress is widely used in the Bavarian area. Dirndl, which was originally a maid uniform in the form of colorful dress combined with corset, blouse, skirts, and aprons. Meanwhile, lederhosen are knee-length leather pants worn by people from the Alpine and surrounding areas. Let's move on to the next point. Here are the places I want to visit. Brandenburg Gate. The original name of the Brandenburg Gate was Friedentor or the Gate of Peace. The Brandenburg Gate is a former city gate and one of the main symbols of Berlin, Germany. Marx is the only remaining gate that was previously the entrance to Berlin. One block north stands the Reichstag. This gate precedes the transfer of Unter den Linden, the famous Linden three-line street that leads directly to the royal president. Proposed by Friedrich Wilhelm II as a symbol of peace and built by Karl Gotthard Langhans from 1788 to 1791. Next, Berlin Wall. Berlin Wall hastily and then demolished due to protests. The Berlin Wall is about 27 miles long and is protected by barbed wire, attack dogs, and 55,000 landmines. However, even though it had stood tall between 1961 and 1989, the Berlin Wall was unable to withstand the democratic movement that destroyed the German Democratic Republic, or RDG, and sparked the end of the Cold War. Berliners literally knocked down walls with sledgehammers and chisels. Less than a month later, the GDR was completely crushed, and in 1990, Germany was reunited. Tourists will certainly not be bored because they can enjoy the beautiful scenery at the same time, especially if you explore it by bicycle, as many travel agents over there. This is the last topic. Public figure in Germany. Albert Einstein was a German-born theoretical physicist, widely acknowledged to be one of the greatest physicists of all time. Einstein is best known for developing the theory of relativity, but he also made important contributions to the development of the theory of quantum mechanics. Next, Ludwig van Beethoven. Ludwig van Beethoven was a German composer and pianist. Beethoven remains one of the most admired composers in the history of Western music. His works rank amongst the most performed of the classical music repertoire and span the transition from the classical period to the Romantic era in classical music. The last, Carl Friedrich Benz. Carl Friedrich Benz was a German engine designer and automotive engineer. His Benz patent motor car from 1885 is considered the first practical automobile put into series production. He received a patent for the motor car in 1886. That's the end of my presentation. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you and good morning.